everybody. This is 24 Optic Hobby. One box, pick your team, number 28. Shit, I feel like it's been 2 weeks since I've done one. Maybe even longer. Good luck. I don't believe we've hit any case hits out of this yet, guys. And I still have 8 boxes. So this is box number 4 from the case. I don't think we've hit anything yet. I don't think we've hit any golds until right now. When you coming back, Jerry? We gotta run it back. Next time you come back, you let me know. We gotta run it back. We gotta go big. We gotta go bigger. Yeah, let's do. Guess the first auto. Guess the first auto for 20. Go. Yeah, we gotta go bigger. We gotta do like a $500 buy-in, I feel like, next time at least. Especially if we're on a $15 table. I'll make sure I bring at least 1,000 next time though, for sure. But 500 buy-in just in case things don't go right, you know. Have the second bullet in there in case. Or if not, at least slot budget. By the way, guys, as you guys are guessing, Richard Mackey, Scott Henderson. No, yeah, no, I get it, bro. Nothing wrong with that, man. Did you guys subscribe to Only Hammer on YouTube and Instagram? I heard there's some really good, spicy slot content. Table game content. That looks like a gold. That looks like a gold. Start with that stack then. How did you end up doing, by the way? Good luck. Purple. Mason Smith on the purple. Odunze. Flex of Purdy on the flex for the Niners. Ryan. Here's your autograph. It is a rookie. And it's the LJ Special. Latu rookie autograph. David. The 325. Johnny Wilson on a neon. Daniels on a base for Drew. Anybody gets a lot too for the guess? Dexter. That's a nice true blue of Cooper Kupp for the Rams. Orange of Mike Evans. McMillan red for the Bucks. Ryan. Hollow of Roman Wilson. Nice. Aqua. Dipset. Marvin Harrison. Penix base. That's rookie gold. We got rookie gold. Can I get a sweat here? That's a rookie gold for the Bears. Ryan Dean, I got a 50% shot here, Ryan. Rookie gold for the Bears. Good luck. 50% chance. And it's Rome Odunze. Still really sick. University of Washington's finest. Odunze for the Bears. True gold beating the sword. First off the print. 1 of 10. Sick hit. Real sick. We had a 50% chance there. We're happy with either one. Real nice Odunze. That's probably one of my best hits in Optic this year so far. What's up, Bento? That was a really nice box. And we still haven't had any case hits, guys. Take your 29s if you want to see it. Run back. Take your 29s if you guys want to see it. Run back. I'd love to run the rest of this case of Optic, guys. And guys, you know what? Honestly, I swear to you, I'm not just saying this. Take advantage of my Optic prices now, because the next case will not be friendly. Promising you guys right now. I did not change my prices or anything like that. Oh, that's true. That's true. I didn't change my pricing or anything like that on this case. I do know we are going to order more, and I do know that it's going to cost us an arm and a leg more. So, before the prices go up, I'm dead. I swear to you, go check prices. I found out from Teddy yesterday. If I didn't talk to Teddy, I would have never known. So take advantage of my pricing now, because I'm going to honor it for as long as this case goes. Once I get another case, I can't promise nothing. Well, actually, I have retail. So. Recap. We could 2-box random if you guys really want to. I would need a strong push. I'm going to beat the sword. It's a gold Romo Dunze, 1 of 10 from my friend Ryan Dean. That was the break. Optic Hobby 28. One of my best Optic hobbies. Sorry, I whacked the camera. And that was the break. Thanks, guys.